Oh my goodness, it's the Walmart beauty box. I can't believe I got it. It said it was shipping, but that was just like 2 days ago. And boom, here it is. I haven't seen them come out yet, but maybe I just have been so busy I hadn't noticed. But we're going to find out what I got in my Walmart beauty box. Now, they said on my email that I got version 15. And I'm not sure if everything they showed is going to be in my box. And I was looking on here to see if they have any kind of version thing. But hey, one thing I want to say is, doesn't this look familiar? You know, we had a rate increase from $6.98 to $8.98 because they were going to change the boxes up. Looks like the old box. Maybe it's a little bigger, I'm not sure. But here's the inside. And we do have a little card, and it is spring. And yes, I got version 15. You can tell right there. So that's the version that I got. We're going to find out what's in here. And I guess I'll just start picking stuff out. Walmart Beauty Box is a great little box to try out Walmart items. And are good products and affordable. So, I mean, it's got some great advantages to it. And I'm just going to pick up this one thing here. It looks like I got some Soothe Hask tea-free oil and rosemary shampoo and conditioner. So, like, it's a little packet. I could probably get maybe 2 washings out of this, maybe. If you bought it full price, they'd be 16 fluid ounces each, and they would be $7.97 each. So that's pretty good, and I like that it has rosemary in there. That always makes your hair or the scalp feel soothing. It says it refreshes and invigorates, and this is a 10 ml sample of each. So that was my first item I pulled out of there. My next item is, it looks like I've got some perfume. This is Origin Himalayan Jasmine Serenade. That sounds good. Now this, a full size, would be 6.5 fluid ounces, and it would run you about $19.97 if you had the full size. So let's see how this smells. Oh, not too bad. I was trying to see. Of course, it's got jasmine in it. That much I'm sure of, in case you want to snapshot it. Notes of marigold, jasmine, and patchouli. And I can smell a combination of all that in there. I might spray some over here. Oh, that doesn't smell too bad. So I like that. It's kind of fruity or flower. I guess it's more flower with the marigold and the jasmine. It smells good though. All right, I'm okay with that. The next item is what is this? La Roche. This is a Toleraine Purifying Foaming Cleanser. Full size would be $19.97. And it'd be 13.52 fluid ounces, and it's a gentle daily cleanser for normal to oily skin, for sensitive skin, so that's good to know. Dermatologist worldwide, so I guess it's pretty much approved by all dermatologists, so that's pretty good. I like a foaming cleanser. It's purifying. So far so good. Now, I haven't seen any full size yet. Now my next item is the Gold Bond. It's the Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face. So that's kind of nice that you can use on body and face. And Gold Bond is a good brand. If you was to buy this full size, it'd be $11.97 and 1.71 ounce. And we got a 0.75 ounce. But you know, that's pretty good. It's not sealed, so I'm gonna put some on my arm, on my hand here. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good if it's going on your face. It's nice and moisturizing. So that's good. Yeah, not too bad. And I like Gold Bond. I use it a lot. And then the next thing I'm pulling out of here is the Guru Nanda 14 strips. So now this is full size. It says Guru Nanda teeth whitening strips, full size, $10.47. So this more than paid for my box to get this full size, and I already have a box of these. I have tried them. I've only used 2 strips so far, but they work really good. And I was telling everybody when I was doing my empties that you might want to put like some Vaseline on the underneath your lips, inside, and on your tongue before you put it on. This really doesn't burn too bad at all, but it protects it more, because I had irritation a little bit when I used it the first time, but it wasn't major. So then the second time I decided to, which I should have done the first time, I just forgot, but I would recommend doing that. But these go on really easy. I mean, like when it says it, you put them on, they're not loosey-goosey. They are on there and they stay put. And if you can, try not to touch your gums with it. So I would recommend these. And I think there's 2 kind in here, or there was in mine. Oh yeah, there's 4 Express and there's 10 Professional. On the 4 Express, you can do it for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes. And on the Professional, they want you to have it on for about an hour. 30 minutes to an hour, but they kind of recommend an hour. But this is a good product. So, and I got a full size. So I got my first box from FabFitFun for $7.99, and they said this full size box is $10.47. So I got a good deal with FabFitFun, but hey, coming in this box is even better. And that's everything that's on the card here, but I got a bonus prize, I guess. It's not, oh, no it's not. I didn't get a bonus prize. I got another full size. It's the Tangle Teezer Essential Detangler, extra gentle in turquoise. Wow, okay. So, and this is $12.97. It's 1 piece. And this is what it looks like. And we did have foozles in there, but again, it's just a small amount. Detangler hairbrush. I like the color of it. Let's check it out here. I'm not going to brush it with it. I may give this to my granddaughter, but yeah, it's a nice color. And I like those kind of bristles. And it says it's a detangler. She has long hair too, so she'd probably like that. So yeah, I'm real pleased with my box. This is probably one of the best boxes I ever got. What do you guys think? What's your favorite? Gee whiz. I'm going to have to say the strips and the brush is my favorite, only because it's full size. But I do like Gold Bond. I will use this. And the perfume smelled really good too. Where's the shampoo? Oh, and I got shampoo and conditioner. So this was a great box. Let me know what you think. I mean, $10 and $11, that's $21. And if you just count $2 a sample, that's 2, 4, 6, 8. And then $22. Oh, this was $12.97, so that's $13. 23. Okay. 23, you add 8 to that. That's like $31. I got a great value for $8.98. So this is a good box. So if you haven't joined up with Walmart's beauty box, you want to look under or tag or Google Walmart beauty box. I'll try to put a link down in my description, because for $8.98, this box version 15 was really worth the price. So what do you think? Have you seen any other boxes yet? Now, a bunch of my channel friends get this box, so be on the lookout for Mary Catherine Loves Cats, Life with Lois, Carol Gardner. Who else gets this box? I know I'm not thinking of enough people. I'm not sure if Wendy Jean gets this box or not. Unboxing with Wendy Jean may get this box. Oh, I can't remember everybody that gets this box. I'm just having a blank here. But be on the lookout. They'll have their posts, and you can check out and see what version that they got. Because like I said, I got version 15, and it's great. I'm very happy with my box. Like I said, probably the best I ever had. Over $30 value. Yay! I really love it. So guys, go and check out everyone else. Be sure and check out the Easter Golden Box Hunt. It's going on right now. You can see all the new subscription boxes from 9 channels. You get to pick which one's your overall golden box. Let us know. Let the person know, and come back to my channel and let me know which one you chose for the golden box. And we will be having a grand prize winner once we pick all the individual winners. All the names will go on a wheel, and I'll pick a grand prize. So, and announce it. So, hey, it's a fun time, and that ends on April 4th. So you got plenty of time to go through the 9 videos. But as for today, and I'll run a little advertisement. That way you can see who's in it. But we have lots of good channels that's in it. So as for today, and this great Walmart beauty box that I got, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.